Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. All our videos for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal. As long as you are on SIM, we're not responsible for your trade. Actually, it's a very good day, despite the market going up and down. It is a very good day for us anyway, and we will share some of the charts we have. Yesterday we updated the scalper, and this is based on one contract, and you can see we did 915 based on one contract. On the 5 minutes, also based on one contract, we nailed the 1,280. So we are going to reload it, and we're gonna start from zero again on the 5 minutes, and the 1 minute is still missing $75 on this one here. So this is really good, and I will show you the auto trade in action. For the Nasdaq, we usually trying to get 1,000 between 10 and 11. Had a very lucky day this morning, and I took a very nice trend right there, right here, which made our day, and it made 1,650. So what we are going also to do, we're gonna reset it, and we try to get $1,000 between 10 and 11, and is already in the short trade, and we will cover that. And now those two that will be taking a trade very soon, is based on a pullback re-entry, and we'll see what happened. Trying to set up everything. This is a really fast auto trade, and this is where we started. 1-2 short trade, and this is where exactly we started, and the market is extremely fast, and now we have 285 on the auto trade. Now we have 335 on the auto trade, and now we have, it is an extremely fast market, an extremely fast auto trade. Recalculate, there we go, 600, Jesus, now we are 910 within minutes on this. All what we need, $90, and then it finished. Okay, we still need $15. Okay, now we are done. Okay, we are done in 5 minutes. 1,220. 5 minutes. Excellent. Excellent. The scalper is still taking time to take a trade. We are 905. The 5 minutes is gonna take time to take a trade. It's not gonna. Okay, well, we've done the second round, and now we are going to third round. Let's look at the market first. Okay, the market is really creepy. The buyers equal to the seller. Very mixed market. Very mixed market. So if you are trading with the trend, you are already in trouble and you are already down. So this is where the saver on that auto trade can handle volatility. Extremely fast auto trade. And we are already in trouble on the third round. Let's keep reversing. This is extremely fast. Jesus. Well, this one got us in trouble this time. It will recover immediately. It's taking reverse on the fib. We lost this one. We go back and we try one more. Okay, now we are on the right track because we started in the wrong way. Okay, we should have waited. And we keep our eye on this. We're still missing 70, 90, $85, and this one has not taken trade. When it's taken trade, we'll let you know. Let's examine the market. You know, it's the same story we said before. When you have 3 sell position on the ES, and when you open your NinjaTrader and you find the Nasdaq on a different direction, this means you are in trouble with auto trading, and you have to be careful with your trade. So always when you find there is confliction between the the signals, you have to be careful. This means we have a problem. The market is not synchronized. So what you need to do, if you want to be safe, you make sure your three signals red on the ES, three signal red on the NASDAQ, and three signals red on the YM. When it's synchronized, then your auto trade is going smoothly. And on the NASDAQ, we are going to hit institutional number, and it is 19,226 profit taken on that number. So you have to be careful on this trade, you know. And for the CL, we are going fine. Short, you have a short on the CL, 71.44 short. Still also mixed market, but that's what we have. So for the scalpers, has not taken any trade yet. We have a new signal on the NASDAQ, and already the NASDAQ took that trade. A new signal on the NASDAQ. We're going down to target one. Target one is, this chart is coming from the signal coming from the NASDAQ. So you gotta be careful. And we are going directly to the 19,226. The ES going to the institutional number 5,598. You gotta be careful. On the scalpers we did yesterday in the webinar, we still no trade at this moment. I keep my eye on it, and when it's taking trade, I'll share it with you. For the swing trading, we're doing fine on the swing trading. It's going direct to this number. And on the NASDAQ also, we're doing well on the swing trading. And also the DAX is doing very well on the swing trading. I had 1 millisecond lost internet. 1 millisecond lost internet. I hate it when it does that. On the NASDAQ, we still had a really nasty trade in here on the NASDAQ, and we are 340, and he's taking reverse because of this yellow line you should not take short anymore on those yellow lines. You have to be careful. And the ES on the same auto trade based on one contract as well. It is 737 on the scalping reversal from the fibs. So those are very good for days like this when the market is a little bit tough. We're having a problem with the ES on the support area here, 5604. If we cross it, we hit the target one immediately. The Nasdaq is keep going. On a reversal from between the yellow line, and it's gonna go up. He got hit a couple times on bad trades, and we need to see this market going up a little bit. Okay, it closed 430. Is insisting on going up. We have a problem with the support area on the ES 5604, and that is holding your Nasdaq back as well. Be careful. Let's see if he's going to break. Exactly where is my crosser? We need to see the 5604. Let's see if he's going to cross it. If the ES crossed that line, we are going directly to the institutional number and the Nasdaq as well. So the Nasdaq 19,227 and the ES is 5,599. And the Nasdaq on the scalper, the one we covered yesterday, took the trade short. On the 5 minutes, did not take the trade short on the 5. But on the space on one contract, this is the Nasdaq we updated yesterday. The scalper. This is a different scalper. There we go. It's all up. It's not up to the auto trade. It's all up to the ES if he's crossing the 5604. The 5604. If we cross it, that trade is going to be $1,000. It's not the auto trade. $1,000 is the market. So we need to see this ES crossing. Otherwise, it's gonna go against us. It's very important to cross. The key here is 5604. 5604. The ES on the scalper took a trade. Has not been taking a trade in a long time. Let me show you. This is the scalper and has not been taking a trade in a long time, and this is amazing. Based on one contract. Oh, I didn't see that. the NASDAQ 7 range finished 1000. We are going to reload it and let it go one more time. There we go, look at this. Okay, the first trade 85 and it's taking short. Okay, we'll leave it on the side. Let's see what those two are doing. Let's look at the market so we can tell exactly. Okay, it broke it. Because it's broke it, that's mean we are hitting the target. One institutional number, and that is going to increase the trade on the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ have a support 19,264. Look, it hit the target one. It hit the target one. Profit taken on target one. And that's why that little fellow took that swing. Trade is extremely fast, and now it's going short with it. Jesus. Very fast market. It's gonna take short, yeah. Holy. The NASDAQ give me a headache. 930. We need $70. He got it. He's finished. He got it. Oops. There we go. The NASDAQ gives me a headache actually, and you've seen it. It's extremely fast. That makes me nervous. And now the scalpers both are turning against us, and that's why sometimes it's nice to close the position. Well, it's not over yet. This is a pullback re-entry on the NASDAQ 19,349. This is a re-entry position. Now it's coming to this place. Let's go ahead and reload. This is a re-entry short. It's not re-entry long, but he took it long. Wow. Jesus. Holy. Welcome to trading. 425 on the first trade. The NASDAQ is extremely fast. How are you gonna do this manually? Okay. Okay. On the ES, we 875 and slow. This is the same as the NASDAQ, and I think the NASDAQ is going to finish right now. Okay, 555. $610. $720. We need 125 on the ES. Okay, 862. This one is finished. Okay, here it is. Welcome to trading. Okay, 1000. I don't know how many runs we did. Let's see where we are. I'm gonna wait a little bit till it comes to the fib line, and then I'm going to reload it. Okay, it's coming to the fib line. Wait until it comes to the fib line. Here it is. Let's see how strong it is. It is not strong. So we wait till it hit the fib and we reload. And now the ES has no more short, because look at this. There is a lot of support, and there is a lot of support on the NASDAQ. The short is finished, actually. The short is finished. Okay. The ES is done as well. This one, the last trade. It's done. Yes, 1,250. Done. And on the NASDAQ, we are down 100. I don't know how many rounds we did, but we are down 100. Now we are down 85. Now we are down 40. Now we are up 180. You can see the numbers here, right here at the bottom corner. Well, this one is a bad one. Trying to get the average price to get out of that trade as soon as possible, and then the market goes against you. Wow, this was a bad trade. But how many winning trades we had and how many losing trades we had. And all the averages up. I mean, he's taking the proper entry, and then the market, when he's going short, the market go in the opposite direction. When he goes long, go into the opposite direction. So this is a very aggressive auto trade, and is trying very hard to recalculate, re-enter the market fast. So this is an extreme fast auto trade, and now is struggling in those conditions here in the market. Is trying to take left and right trades, short, long. None of them is trending. It's just sitting on the side. None of them is trending. It's just going back and forth. No trend. He's chasing every bar. And now we are 160 down on that. So it's going to take short. No, I'm sorry, long. And it's trying to get it. If you notice, no matter what position he's taking, the market not helping, is going the opposite direction, and the market is not trending, and it's really calculating fast on it. Yes, and for the ES, I don't mind to restart one more time. Now it's gonna got to 000 on the trades, and now we're gonna start all over again on this one. There is no more short on the ES. Once the ES hit between those two yellow lines, we said don't take any more short. On all the videos for many years, we're saying the same thing. And what happened, there is no more short trade. And if we look a little bit in a bigger picture, you can see the market came in between those two yellow lines. We always say no more trade between two yellow lines, and the market touch that moving average, and the market is mixed in here. This is a perfect day for amateur traders to lose money. It is a perfect day for them to be on a wrong side, the market. And the same story here. The Nasdaq came between the two yellow line, and what is the support? This is a reversal. We have talked about it for many years. This is a reversal. Here on this channel, every time we say the same story. And now the market has crossed this line. As we say, we kissed this line, and now there is no more short trade, and there is no long trade, and there is nothing anymore. The market is finished. The market is finished. And as you see, this one here is an extremely fast market with a very fast calculation, and now he is going in a circle where we have seen today, when the market was trending, he nailed 1,000 after the other within minutes. And when the market start being confused, that is going to be a very high price when you are auto trading and not being aware what's going on in the market. The market right now is a mess, and the market right now, you should not be auto trading. You should hold all your trades. Look, it's going in the circle. It's doing nothing. It's just generating trades, and none of those trades are trending. When he takes long, it doesn't trend, and when he takes short, it doesn't trend. Look, small trades, and it's not doing anything. It's extremely flat, confusing market, and that is a perfect day for people to not look at the chart to lose money. Perfect day to lose money. And this is where you need to hold your horse a little bit on the trade. There is nothing to look at anymore. Honestly, there is no trades anymore, guys. You know, I don't care what we have 20 different auto trades, and I don't recommend to use any kind of auto trade, not ours, any kind of auto trades. And now we're still going in the circle. We are down $45. We go plus minus $100 and goes back to $40, $50 down. There is no trades. The market not trending. You can see how the market is not trending, and it's just going in a circle. And when it goes in a circle, that makes me nervous. Okay, there is nothing left, so we're gonna hold all the trades at the moment. There is nothing to trade. I cannot encourage you to take any more trades, and we're going to hold all the trades until we have a direction in the market. Here is the problem. Very mixed market. Always look at the ES. Even if you are trading stocks, always look at the ES. Your ES is your flashlight, your oxygen to any other type of a trading. And if we look, the buyers not too much over the sellers. Very mixed market between 1 minute and 30 minutes. They are most of it in red, you know. And here is the second. Now start going up. Maybe there is some kind of news came out, and now the market start going up, but it's not ready yet. Why? If we look, you say, how in the hell there is so many lines in here? And that's exactly, yeah, it was a news somewhere. I didn't see any news coming from my side here. So it could be some kind of breaking news, because there is no news in the market at this moment. There is no high news. But something has activated the market. Something has activated the market. I don't know what it is. It was not on the list with the news. So it could be something on a television. Something that might ignite the market. Okay, so we are on a different ball game. But still, I would not trust this long trade until the Nasdaq passed the 19,437. Be careful. I don't know what kind of news, because I don't have any important news on my chart, so I don't know where come the news for the market to get excited like this. And the ES, you're gonna say, how come there is so many lines here? Be careful. This is a lot of resistance. You cannot trade it. So whatever the news is, I will not accept. I'll be careful to start taking long until we have confirmation we are above the 19,436. This is where you need to release your auto trade. And right now on the ES, absolutely, I will not take any long trade or allow any auto trade. Doesn't matter where it comes from. I will not allow an auto trade between those lines until this market lining up, the market analyzer lining up. We have a buy signal on the ES at this moment. We have a buy signal on the ES, and here is your ES buy signal. It's right there coming from the market analyzer. But if we look at the resistance level here, that's does not make me comfortable, so we move it a little bit, and if this kept going, the auto trade will readjust the trailing stop automatically. But right now, you can see with the Nasdaq 19,434, and there is a lot of bridges to cross. So I would not be comfortable to take a long trade at this moment. I will wait a little bit till the market come down and then see what the hell is going on in the market. Don't get excited on the first bar moving. So let's see what Nasdaq. You see the Nasdaq is struggling on that number. You see, that's why I don't want it to take a long trade until I see this Nasdaq crossing, and I need some. We have a buy signal on the Nasdaq. We have a buy signal on the YM as well, and you can see the Nasdaq took that trade, but I'm still not feeling comfortable with it. So maybe you make it a little bit tight, because maybe it's not gonna make it, and it probably will not make it. The only time you start feeling comfortable when you see the market crossing the 19,434. I don't know what kind of news. I cannot now right now see what's happening, but it was not from the market. I don't know what happened, or maybe I missed one. I don't know. And now we are more comfortable with the Nasdaq crossing that resistance, and we'll be more comfortable when we see the ES, which is going to cross the projection and climb into the 5650. Then it will be a good long position, and here it is start taking off. Now it is, we are out of the risk in the trade. So okay, we sit on standby to see what's going on. those signals from the market analyzer, we told you when it was a buying market on the ES and NASDAQ, and it was right in front of you on the market analyzer, and we called that trades for you. So on the NASDAQ it's 4,600, and on the ES 3,200. Whoever followed those signal, congratulations, you did very well. Well, we are done for today. We thank you very much, and see you another day. Bye for now.